Hi guys, this is Ece from FP Models and Mohamed,
Hello
casting
guys.
manager. Hi guys. So yeah, today in this episode we want to introduce you our company and our newest project.
Yes, and it's not gonna be our last episode. We're gonna do more and more episodes together, and we will have like some also special guests like models or from our coaches
Designers,
and more. Yeah,
brand owners, and and more.
Start talking about FP models basically.
Basically, yes.
Okay, so for FP models we have three departments. We have the agency, the academy, and the community. All right. So for the agency, we actually work with models that have modeling experience and modeling portfolio. For the academy, it's for beginners who want to start their modeling career. And for the community,
actually, we accept everyone from fashion industry. I mean, if you have passion for fashion, you can be in our community, and we are hosting different events, workshops,
photo shoots,
and sometimes even after parties.
Yes. I remember the last party. It was amazing.
At Smash Room, and always we are choosing different venues with different people. And to be honest, you don't have to be a professional model. You can just join our community. Even if you're a photographer, you can just meet people and expand your network.
Exactly.
So
it's about connections.
For everyone. It's all about connections and experience. And let's talk about how we started community.
Yes, so basically it wasn't the idea of our CEO, Marina.
Yeah.
So I want to say hi to Marina. She's not here with us, but she will be, inshallah, in the next episode with us.
Next episode,
yes. So it started with like some dancing classes, stretching classes, desert photo shoot. As well, we had the Gatsby photo shoot. Do you remember?
Yeah, exactly. At Palazzo Versace Hotel, we hosted a photo shoot, Gatsby.
Yep.
And it went so successful. It was super fun. The results were so stunning. And this kind of photo shoot, I mean, everyone can use it on social media. I mean, it's good for us, good for models and members, and also the venues. So it's always a win-win for everyone.
And basically I want to talk about the photo shoots, that they are not like normal photo shoots. There's a theme, there's a mood board for the photo shoot, and always like different ideas. And sometimes we follow also the trends. Like recently we had the Barbie photo shoot.
Yeah, we had actually two Barbie photo shoot. One of them we hosted in a pink cafe, LNN, and the other one actually that was super fun in a pink limo, and it picked us up from the office, and it was like the whole experience was so cool. And in the interior was like Barbie, and so basically, how do you know that what is the theme, or how can you just get ready for that? It's we post the schedule of the month before the month starts. And you can choose one photo shoot, so you know what it is about. And you can always ask us, like, you think this is appropriate or convenient for me, or this, and we help you to find and choose the photo shoot. And then we post the mood board, so you can just style yourself, do your makeup.
We do also like help you with
the
like online consultation for the style.
Exactly. You can send us what you want to wear and your options, and we can help you to style yourself as well.
Yeah. So for the schedule, actually we usually have, let's say, up to 5 events, between them like some classes, some events with like special guests, like recently with Vlada, Not Your Local Habibi, on Instagram. It was amazing.
So cool.
Yes, and 3 photo shoots, sometimes like 2 to 3 photo shoots. So each member can benefit from all events plus 1 photo shoot.
Yeah, but how do they become a member?
So if you want to become a member, first, if you are a student at FP Academy, you will have a free trial to try the community.
You will have 1 month free trial. So
yes, after that we have actually 3 packages. We have either for 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year.
So you can actually think this as gym membership. You know, you will have this membership, and you can go to events. You will be invited to even fashion shows, and anything related to fashion. We just open the door for you, and you can meet new people. Most of the people who joined our community now, they're friends, and they're even going out without us.
Without us. And if you are not a member of the academy, we have also the same packages for people from outside
yes, exactly.
the academy.
You don't have to do anything, I guess. You can just sign up for it.
Yes,
and
we can assist you
member.
if you want to be a member of the community.
Yeah, and even on the website, you can just go and become FB member, and you will be added to a Telegram channel, and everything will be announced. And it's so simple. When we post the poster, you can just be like, I'm in, and you are in.
Yes,
that's easy. Yeah. So let's talk about the workshops.
Also,
public speaking class.
Yes, we had public speaking class. We have, like, for this month, we have a mindset class. We have a makeup workshop. We had before, as I mentioned, dancing classes, stretching classes, and even more
and
stuff.
next month also we will have yoga. So every month the coaches are different, the photo shoots are different. So let's say you have 3 months membership, probably you will experience everything, because this month we will have mindset, and we will have makeup workshop in Makeup Institute.
Okay, nice.
So yeah, 2-hour session, and they will talk about how to apply a natural look makeup. And next month you will have yoga and more like workshop, like catwalk stuff, and that means you will experience like every kind of classes.
Let's talk about the photo shoots for this month. What do we have?
So we have Fruit Passion, and
I'm in this photo shoot.
So we actually collect ideas from people. Sometimes the models, they recommend something, and we listen to them. Sometimes our stylists. So this Fruit Passion, we want to get like a lot of different kinds of fruits, and then colorful clothes.
Like colorful stuff,
Yeah, and maybe we will use a pool, or even in a restaurant, or like chair or
Still
table.
checking.
So it will be like real fashion shoot.
The second photo shoot we have is a luxury car photo shoot.
Yes, exactly. But
what's gonna be the car?
I mean, first time it was limo, so I think this time we can do it different, like Maybach. I'm not sure of the pronunciation.
Why not Lambo?
And because we usually host 10 models.
Okay.
And I mean, why not?
Yes,
it might be.
why not?
So I will not announce it right now, but it might be different.
And the last one is
the last minute. Actually, we are sure of what's happening.
Exactly. The third photo shoot.
The third photo shoot is retro disco. So we're gonna be in a venue with disco balls, and it will be retro. It's kind of
vintage photo shoot.
Yes, vintage, but it's like, you know, rock and roll. So it's gonna be so cool as well.
Cool. I have a place for this photo shoot. Actually, I would recommend it.
Yeah, actually, I want to do it in Roll Dubai, but let's see.
Okay. All right. So let's talk also about the Smash Room photo shoot that we had last month, and the after party as well.
Smash Room was actually amazing. So the owner, the CEO of Smash Room, Ibro, he came to the office, and we were talking about our projects. First, I mean, he's a fashion director and he has a brand.
Yeah,
right?
I love his brand.
We had a program called Model Weekend, and we were hosting different people from industry as special guests. So
he was one of the special guests that he came. He gave a workshop.
He's really colorful, so smart, so wise. So I invited him as special guest, and also his clothes, we used it for our photo shoots because they're like very stylish. Exactly. And also he told me that we can host a photo shoot at Smash Room, and we provided our community members an after party and photo shoot at Smash Room. So some
outfits from him was provided as well.
Exactly. We used the designer clothes from him, and we had literally 2 photo shoots at the same time in this venue, and the theme was graffiti glamour, and everyone was like street style. It was super cool.
And the after party, we want to say hi to Marlene. She's one of our students actually, and she's a DJ.
Exactly.
So she hosted the party, and she was the DJ for the after party.
We had some snacks, and we had so much fun. We had so much fun. That was one of the best.
Yeah.
And I think in future also we will host another photo shoot or video shoot in Smash Room Abu Dhabi. Hopefully.
Okay, cool.
I mean, we are open to everything. If you tell me I have a old cafe, then we can find a theme like old elegance or like a street style, something. We can just find it and organize it.
And it's actually cool for the places that we have the photo shoot in. Like it's kind of, you know, a collaboration that we post them, they post us, so we show the place, we're showing, like they are even getting content from our models as well.
To be honest, Mushroom also gave us discounts, and now our models, they also
so
there.
I need to talk about one thing, that our members, like the member of the community or even members of the academy, they will have a membership card. This membership card will give them a discount. Digital membership card. You can add it to the Apple Pay. So this digital membership card gives discounts for some stores, places even in Dubai Mall, some restaurants, and as we mentioned, like our kind of
beauty salon,
like beauty salons and
some
this Mushroom
treatments. They are even sometimes free.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this was our first episode, and it won't be the last one. We will soon have another episodes with guests, some of our coaches, as I mentioned before, and I believe the second one will be with Marina.
Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I hope you had fun and understood about our projects and our company. And
so if you, just last thing, if you want to be a member of the community or agency or academy, feel free to contact us on Instagram or apply on the website, and one of the managers will contact you, maybe me. Bye bye.